Hello, in this video we will learn about dependency injection in C Sharp. So dependency injection is a design pattern in C Sharp that helps achieve inversion of control between classes and their dependency. This pattern allows the creation of dependency objects outside of a class and provides those objects to a class that depends on them. सो मीन्स डिपेंडेंसी इंजेक्शन एक हमारा ऐसा डिज़ाइन पैटर्न है जिसके थ्रू एक क्लास के डिपेंडेंट ऑब्जेक्ट को हम आउटसाइड ऑफ द क्लास के थ्रू सेंड करते हैं। सो लाइक अगर आप एक कार के एग्जांपल लेके चलें तो लाइक कार का जैसे इंजन है तो वो हम कार का जो इंजन है वो उसको क्लास के अंदर डिफाइन नहीं करेंगे, उसको बाहर से एज अ पैरामीटर या एज अ कंस्ट्रक्टर भेजेंगे। तो वो एग्जांपल मैं आपको लाइव डेमो में दिखाऊंगा। तो फिलहाल अभी के लिए आप इसको थ्योरिकली पढ़ लो थोड़ा। सो इन मोर सिंपल टर्म्स दिस इज अ वे टू गिव एन ऑब्जेक्ट its dependency rather than having the object create them itself. So like think of it like ordering a pizza instead of making it from scratch. तो अगर लाइक आप पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर कर रहे हो, आपको पता नहीं है कुछ भी कि क्या कैसे बनाना है, बट आप पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर कर रहे हो तो आपको पिज़्ज़ा मिल जाता है ना, तो आपकी डिपेंडेंसी ख़त्म हो गई है उस चीज़ में। तो इस तरह से है ये। सो यू गेट वट यू नीड without doing all your work yourself. So now why use dependency injection? So easier to change. If you want to like switch from a petrol engine to an electric engine in a car, you can do it easily without changing the car itself. And next is loose coupling. So dependency injection helps in reducing the tight coupling between software component and making the system more modular and easier to manage. Improved testability. By injecting dependency, you can easily replace them with mock object during testing. And last one is flexibility and maintainability. So changes in dependency require minimal changes in the class that use them. Okay. So next is types of dependency injection. So we can like implement dependency injection in following three ways: constructor injection, and the next one is property injection and method injection. Okay. So now we will see demo. Okay. So in this video we will like understand dependency injection through example of car and engine. Okay. So first of all we will take interface for engine. Okay. And we will have a method there. Let's say start. Okay. And we will take another interface for car. Okay. And yeah, method name will be drive. Okay. So now what we will do, we will create a class public let's say we will create class for petrol engine. Okay. So we have inherit our interface and we have implement start method. Okay. So similar we have another kind of engine like electric engine. Okay. So now what we have two different type of engine. One is petrol and another one is electric. Okay. So now we need to create a car. So what we will do, public class car, and we will inherit our class car interface. So what we will do here, we will take a private variable of IEngine type. Okay, so that we can take like read only. Okay, and in constructor we are passing IEngine. Okay, so that engine will get assigned to this private property within this class, and with this mm, property we will call that start method. Okay, so just to remind again what we did, we created two different interfaces, one for engine and another one is for car. Okay, and then we created two different class for by inheriting our IEngine interface. One was petrol engine and another is electric engine. Okay, so now when we are creating a class car, so we are like using dependency injection through constructor. Okay, so this engine can be like electric engine or petrol engine, anyone. So we are like removing dependency here. Okay, so now what will happen, so when we will create object of car. Okay, so then we need to like pass which kind of engine that that car will use. It can be like petrol engine or it can be like electric engine. Similar, we can have other option as well. So through this way we are like removing dependency on this class car. Okay, and we are like passing dependent object as a constructor here. Okay, so this method will get called. Okay, so this is the example for dependency injection. Okay, so in our demo we see how we can implement constructor injection and remove dependency on class. So similar, we have other option as well for property injection and method injection. Okay, so benefits for dependency injection, so it will be like loose coupling. So like dependency injection promotes loose coupling between class by injecting dependency rather than having classes create their own dependency. So this makes it easier to change or replace dependency without modifying the dependent class. Okay, so improve testability with dependency injection. We can easily inject mock dependency during unit testing. So this allows you to test classes in isolation, leading to more effective and reliable tests. So similar, we have other benefits as well, like enhanced maintainability, flexibility, and centralized configuration. Okay, so there are some drawback also. So like that is increased complexity. So dependency injection can introduce additional complexity into the code base. Okay, so managing dependency and configuration DI container can be challenging, especially for large application. Difficult to trace. So dependency injection can make the code harder to trace and understand because the dependency are not explicitly created within the class. So like अगर आपको डिबग करना हो तो आपको मतलब विद इन क्लास का स्कोप आपको खत्म हो जाता है, आपको दूसरी क्लासेस में भी आपको डिबग करना पड़ेगा अगर कुछ भी ऐसा इशू आता है। तो थोड़ी सी लाइक डिफिकल्ट ट्रेस को मतलब डिफिकल्टी होती है ट्रेस करने में कि कहाँ पे एक्चुअल एरर आ रहा है। Overhead, so there is like some performance overhead associated with DI, particularly like during the initial setup when the DI container is building the object graph. This can impact the startup time of the application. तो जो अभी हमने डेमो देखा वो तो जस्ट एक माइनर डेमो था, बट अगर आप लार्ज स्केल के एप्लीकेशन देखते हैं तो आपको वहाँ पे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करनी पड़ती है इसके लिए, DI के लिए। तो उसमें मतलब टाइम लगता है, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग जॉब है वो, तो वो एक ओवरहेड होता है किसी भी इनिशियल प्रोजेक्ट को शुरू करने के लिए. एंड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन रिक्वायरमेंट. So DI like require configuration detail to be supplied by construction code, which can be some cumbersome when there are obvious defaults available. Okay, this can lead to more boilerplate code. And learning curve for developer new to DI, there is like learning curve involved in understanding how to properly implement and use DI container. So this can obviously slow down development initially. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and please share your valuable feedback in comments. Bye.